How to fix Instagram try again error. Now these kind of errors occurs when you spam some kind of post or you spam in general in Instagram. So it causes when you start commenting heavily on different kind of posts or you start liking many posts. Now this problem is not permanent and your problem should be fixed within 24 to 48 hours of that occurrence. So in that time what you can do is you can just try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and you can try to install it again. It could or could not work through this method. Like I earlier said, you can wait out a couple of days and you should be pretty much good to go. Another thing that you can also try out is try to change or reset your phone number of Instagram. Try that once and it should also help in solving that particular issue. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.